Okay, since 8 p.m. pa ang ating departure, ang ating train, explore muna natin ang Taichung HSR or High Speed Rail Station. So banda dito, you have your 7-Eleven, McDonald's, and doon sa dulo, you have your toilets or comfort rooms. So, just to explain the context of this harang, this is the paid area kapag ano ka na ng ticket mo, and this is the non-paid area. Ito yung mga iba pang restaurants. Punta muna tayo sa washroom. Syempre hindi ko na kayo isasama muna. And they have a Muslim prayer room here. Ayan. Okay guys, let me just show you. They have Japanese toilets. And heated siya. Sarap upuan. And you can place your luggage here while using the toilet. And you can get your seat cover here. That's another flash. Yeah. And there's the paper or the toilet tissue. Nice, no? Sana all. Okay guys, so we are back here. And those are the turnstiles for the paid area. Kung pupunta na kayo sa train ninyo or gusto nyo dun sa loob mag-abang or mag-intay, meron dun sa loob na mga seats. Ito, it says northbound platform. Yan. And this is the southbound. So kung papunta ka ng Taichung, dito ka sasakay. Then ito naman, papunta ka ng Taipei. So same lang din dun sa kabila. Dito yung papuntang Taipei, dito yung papuntang Taichung. Alright, so ito yung main area. This is pickup area. What if dito kami kanina pumasok. So kung magta-taxi kayo, pwede kayo dito. Yung bus station doon daw papunta. There's also a pickup area here. Via exit 7. Ayan, exit 7. And then exit 5 is over there. So kung pupunta ka ng Sunmoon Lake, dyan ka bababa. So ayan. So kung galing ka dito, just to orient yourself, kung galing ka dito sa gitna, when you face there, nandun sa kaliwa ang exit 5 to 6. Mamaya pupuntahan natin yan para makita ninyo yung area na yan, yung bus station na yan. Now, we have here yung ticketing area. If you book via Klook, you need to redeem the ticket first or reserve your reserve your seats online. So may instructions doon. Make sure to reserve your seats or redeem your tickets online, and then punta kayo dito, hanapin niyo yung today's ticket advance purchase. Yun, banda dyan. At doon ninyo makukuha yung physical ticket niyo. You still need the physical ticket because may QR code siya. Alright. If you have questions, we have the passenger service counter here. Ito, meron silang parang accounts for frequent what do you call this? Frequent users ng HSR. So I'm not sure how that works. Alright. So this is the timetable area. You can find your trains, platforms, and departure times here. And again, this is the paid area turnstile if you wanna go to your boarding area already. Now we got some stores here. There's a Family Mart inside the paid area. There's another Family Mart there in the unpaid area at my Starbucks then. Ooh. Oh guys, reminder, if you book via Klook yung HSR tickets ninyo, and you chose the 15% the 15% discount, you can redeem an additional voucher for a buy one take one, I believe, from Starbucks. Alright, so nandito na tayo sa exit 5 to 6 bus station. Yup. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Kasi sa totoo lang, nahirapan akong hanapin ito kanina. Now, kung sa kabilang side ka bumaba at nakita mo exit 7, go directly to the opposite side. Nandito yon, exit 5. Alright, so this is exit 5 and this is exit 6, exit 6. And dito ninyo makikita ang papuntang Sun Moon Lake. Here. Ito yung mga buses going to Sun Moon Lake. So just go to stand number 3. So this is entrance or exit number 5. Go to stand number 3 for bus 6670. Okay. Now, if you're going on a day trip and you don't want to bring all of your luggages or your stuff, you want to leave some for convenience, you can leave your stuff here. They have car rentals. And these are meeting pods. You can, work. If it's like an emergency, you need to meet or get on a call real quick. Alright. Ito ang station bus Ito ang station bus transfer information, and medyo mabilis siya for you to read, so make sure to bring out your phone and then just take a photo when your bus number comes out. Ayan, okay, it's bus number 6 for other buses. You will find the platform number here sa So yung platform number and the stand number that I was talking about earlier, that's the same thing. Okay, let's go back up. Let's use the lift. Okay guys, welcome to the paid area. So, reminder, be mindful of what car number you are boarding because pag doon kayo sa kabila sumakay, ang layo ng lalakarin nyo, pabalik pa kayo ng papunta doon. So just be mindful of the car number that you are boarding. So inside the paid area, you got more seats, and we've got a lift going to the platforms, some stores, and ayan. Punta na tayo sa platform area. Okay, so as you can see, you have two platforms here sa northbound boarding area, and you will see kung anong train ang magbo-board on which side. You'll find it sa screens like that and like that, and you'll find it in your ticket as well. So just look for the train number, the car, and the seat. Also, just a reminder, you can't get in sa paid area pala an hour before. So the earliest that you can get in is 1 hour. We tried to get in earlier at sinasabi na invalid. Okay, so guys, if you are going to Sun Moon Lake, you're gonna want to go to exit 5. If you wanna go to the city center ng Taichung, you'd want to use the bus station down there as well. Now, if you wanna go to the city center using the train, the TRA, that's another tour, and unfortunately I don't have the time to do it right now, but hopefully in the future I can give you a tour or a guide on how you can go from here to the Taichung rail station. Guys, the Taichung rail, the TRA and the HSR are two different trains, so yeah, just don't forget about it. Alright, so I guess guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching this guide. I hope this is helpful for you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.